Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to access blocked sites in Google Chrome. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and open Chrome Web Store, and once you're here, click on search box and type browse VPN, and click on this browse VPN extension, and here you will need to add this extension to your browser. And after that, click on this puzzle icon, and from here you will need to pin the browse VPN. And now here you will get the VPN icon, so click on that and click on start VPN, and your VPN will be connected. And all you have to need now, open the site you got blocked, and after opening this VPN you can easily unblock any blocked sites. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.